Your next car could be the 2013 Chevrolet Impala. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Take your sophisticated style on the road in the Impala, the full-size family car that blends a premium passenger experience with athletic performance and advanced safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim, power driver seat, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, stability control, leather steering wheel, traction control. Relax and enjoy the pleasure of the road in the Impala. Come in for a test drive.